adjusting the tail as well. See, that's the tail there. Put it in.
So you're just adjusting it up, are you?
Yeah. Just
It's 0.
see, that's pretty. Let's move it around a bit. I'll get a different angle and you can see it better. Okay, it's not far out now, is it? Oh, if you're leaning against that, that's why you're moving it, see?
Oh, what am I leaning against?
This bar. And then on that bar, see how it makes it. Let's see now, it's 1 7/8, wasn't it, we said? Set that, see the scale on there. It's supposed to be somewhere there. It's not critical.
So what is that setting?
See 2 inch, see 2 inch, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
And there's the arrow. So I'll set that to roughly this diameter of this journal. Right, well, that's the 2.
Is that for contact? Is it? So it makes the right contact?
Yeah. It's just to get the angle right on this fork.
Oh,
so if
yes.
you've got a bigger diameter, it wants to be slightly different. It's still to do with, with the lining up and
Just how that grabs it, yeah.
Then this one, So that locks it up. See, that's kind of rough setting on here. So now I bring this down. Push this out of the way. See, that wouldn't come down then because I haven't pushed this out of the way. That's a safety feature. You see how that can lock in there, but now the wheel's free now, look. See, the wheel's all free to float.
Oh,
now.
yes, yeah.
And now I lower this down onto the journal, look. See, that's that one that I've just been adjusting there. So that's just a stop, really, for this to rest on. See?
Oh,
so
yeah.
now I pull the wheel up until the wheel's touching the journal now, look.
Right.
And first of all, I've got to set it 0 on here. See that red spot there? I set that in there. Then no, I've got enough travel on the screw then. Otherwise, you start grinding. If you didn't start, you might find, oh, he comes to the end of the travel. Then you wouldn't be able to finish the job. So you set that at 0. Then I pull that up to the wheel touches.
Yeah.
This one's to be set somewhere about 0. Set that on 0 here. Pull that up till it touches. Then I wind this down. Look. See, that's winding this jaw down.
Yeah.
Until that's holding it. See how it's pulling the wheels into it?
Yeah.
See? So that's holding it all together. You don't need a fit. I've got another key from somewhere. I think that's a bit worn. I'll check. See? Then I'll lock it up there. And back it off 1 turn on here, so the wheel's clear now. See?
Oh, wow.
See, on 1 turn clear.
Yeah.
See, when it's done, I had it on 0, and then I pulled this jaw down and locked it, and now this jaw is fastened to this. Or no, that's right. The jaw is coupled up inside, so when I work this one, that's moving this jaw in and out.
Right.
See? So that's on 0. I wound it. See, I had it up on 0 when I set it, which will be just about touching the wheel. Yeah, see, that's just touching the wheel on the journal now. So back it off at 1 turn, and I know I've got a turn to go to start grinding.
Yes.
So now that's set that now.
Wow. How many jobs is that?
Oh, several cranks, like. That's all the grinding dust.
Wow.
It's funny, see, it's clean in a sense, because it's dried out. But that's all the paint, that's all the metal off the crank.
Wow.
And it turns, that's why grinding's slow, it converts all the metal into dust. Whereas if you're cutting in a lathe, the swarf comes off in a...
Yes.
There's a lot more metal in the area, whereas see, there's no weight.
No.
But it shows how much there is.
Yeah.
So you want to clean it up occasionally, just because if you get too much of that going through in the swarf, that can make a rough finish. That's coming out from the suds. See?
Oh,
so
right.
That's fed in between the wheel, and that can make it so the finish isn't quite as good as it should be.
Yes.
I've got a picture of that.
Yeah.
It'll be nearly to zero because the wheel cuts fairly through. And that's back in slow speed. You see, this is right out of the way, so the wheel's not locked in there. Because for doing the mains, the wheel locks up in there.
Oh, right.
So if you had it on here and come round in that lock, it would smash the whole lot. But that's why there's that safety catch in the back. I couldn't pull it down unless that's out of the way. You can't pull it down and engage it. But if you engaged it on there, you imagine that coming round, and then all of a sudden it holds the wheel solid. It would try to grind into it and take about half inch off it in half a second. So it has smashed the jaw, or bend it all, and it will just wreck havoc. So they've got that safety device. There's a clutch in there. Oh, no, it doesn't always engage on the clutch. So that's going round now, and so on this lever here, I push this up, that lets the suds come up that pipe and into here. And you'll see all the suds coming out. Well, here it is, see it coming out now? That's the coolant comes all through that pipe into here, it's down inside the casting, and it comes out in that exhaust. See it coming out there? The suds on it to keep it cool. It's most important. If that went hot for a few seconds, that would distort the crank. If you were grinding without the suds on there. It depends how much cut you're taking. So now I can start winding on here, see? I can start fairly quick because I know it should be coming up towards zero when it starts grinding. There's zero, so it could start grinding any time now. Yeah, that's ground it. Can you see this? See the spark coming off under there? I'll wind it slowly. I'm winding the crankshaft slowly through it now to get to the side. That's the wheel touching the side of the journal. It hasn't cleaned up yet. See the scratch is still in there. You can just see the scratch in a minute. Yeah, see it? Yeah. I'll take a bit more. I'll go down to zero. That's gone into zero. I'll probably see 2 or 3 of here undersides now. I back it off. You don't just back off a little bit, you back it off a complete turn.
Oh, right.
So I'm back to zero, but I'm 1 turn clear.
Ah.
Oh, now you can see, it hasn't cleaned up yet. See, it's ground, but it's still got that score all the way around it, more or less, You can see that flickering, that's a bit of chatter. That's because that's not taking much off. The wheel won't grind much on the side, but that's just touching the side of the journal now. Oh, now that's down to zero now, and there's another 4.5 hour come off. See, that's back to zero where I was on this side. So that's got the same size now. So now there's 4.5 hour to come off now.
Right.
Isn't it? No, 5.5 hour to come off. Anyway. I'm gradually feeding in, look. As it's going round, that's grinding. 2. Let's take it to 2.5, say. I set that to 2.5 on there. That's not doing it, I'll just use that, that reminds me where I'm at.
Oh, I see.
That's not doing anything, that one, isn't it? That's, yeah. Right, now, that's it, 2.5 now. Now I can reverse across now. I'm winding slowly past now, look. And you can see the sparks coming out. Yeah, I'm winding the crankshaft slowly through. And that's why you've only got to go slowly, because see, that jaw is resting on the crank. Well, if I went too fast and overtook raw ground, it'd pull the wheel in that little bit.
Right. Yeah.
Pretty solid. Yeah, that's 7th thou off now.
Right.
See, there's another 3 thou to go to 15. Yeah. Roll the bearings.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the mains, yeah. Yeah, it's cleaned up there. It's still got the wheels of dirt there. It might not clean that up, but it won't make any difference, because the area of that scratch is nothing on the bearing surface. You know, the amount of metal that's the bearing surface is a bit less in theory by that amount. But it won't affect the running of it.
They're much improved, yeah.
There's another 3 thou to come off yet. Yeah, sometimes it's a pity to take all the rest of the metal off just for one little strand, because you're making it smaller.
Yeah.
2.5 I won't do, didn't I?
Amazing machine, isn't it? Yeah.
Slowly across me, I'm moving the crank slowly past it again. You won't see much movement because it's going very slowly. I'm winding on these handles, see? Slowly across. It's nice and bright in the picture, isn't that when it comes down the field?
I hope so.
But it looks brighter than reality, it looks really clear, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very clever, these girls, aren't they? It is a good picture, isn't it? That's it, that's just up inside now, see? So now I've got to let it go one turn round to clear it, like a full width. See, when I'm winding across, it's stuck in a spiral. Well, if when you get to the end, you've got to let it do one turn, at least one turn, so it grinds it all the way.
Yes.
A full width. It's just over the top there. It's been all round now. So it won't be grinding anymore now.
So is that 10 thou now?
Well,
Have you done?
I'm not sure yet.
All right, okay.
It might not be quite.
Okay. You're going to measure it again,
I'll
yeah.
back it off one turn, see? That's 4 where I went to last time.
Yes.
Back it off one turn. And when it comes to stop, you stop it there. Take it off. See, and I've got it set, I set 4 on there just to remind me.
Yes.
Still got the stores, but not quite so deep, look. See it? It's almost gone. The one side almost cleaned up. But you've got the store on the other side. You can feel it. But it won't affect, see, that's low. So it doesn't do any harm.
Yeah.
When it's where it's scored, if you put it on the score
high
crank,
spot.
where you score the metal out, it rises up both sides of the scratch. So
Yeah.
One and 3/4 thou, perhaps.
1 3/4.
Yeah, that's the grind this side of it. But this shoe that's taking the feed, that's rubbing on the bit that's just been ground.
Yes.
See? Now, this side of it is bigger. And that's why I'm wanting to take it off. But if I went too far, so the big bit caught up with the shoe here, that's too big. That's up in the side. So that's got up to this point. So next time it comes to the top, it's all done.
You started on this side, did you?
Yeah, I know.
And you brought it to you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can do it the other way as well next time. I'll put it the other way here. Doesn't matter. If you do it first one way and the other, it evens the cut out. It's coming up to the top. That's more accurate than I was thinking.
Yeah.
Up at the top now. 5 3/4. There. 5 3/4. That's it. See now, when I let it away, if I pulled it, that'll put a flat on.
I know.
But I'm one turn clear on here, see?
Oh, I
That's
see.
why before you do anything, you back us off one turn.
That's your safety.
And that takes the wheel away that amount, that one complete turn. But then, if I hold it there, but then I just push this up and let it go away itself.
All right, yeah.
And then it goes back the other way. That's cleaned up that mark pretty well. Look, that's pretty close. I'll bring it round a bit for you. Yeah, it's cleaned up now. Just cleaned up.
Wow, that's brilliant.
Yeah, it's only just, because you saw it was a hour and a half to come off. See, that's got that tape underneath these jaws here, and that's polishing the journal now. That's it.
And why do you need to polish it?
Well, it just makes it a bit smoother.
Yeah.
I'll just do that main just a little bit. Polish any little bit of scratches or burrs, cut them off. There you are. It's about 1/4 how big, possibly. See, just the thickness of the line big. Only that much, see it?
Oh, right, okay, okay.
See? Yeah, see, it's that much. It should be in line with 15, but it's that fraction, the thickness of the line on the mic, big. Well, I'm not going to try and grind that amount off.
So it's still slightly oversized.
Yeah, just that thickness of the mic. See,
right.
that 15 should be. It should be on there.
Yep.
Well, on that little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I'll show you how sensitive it is. Let's move that out the way of the wheel now. We'll finish that. See, if I set that, I'll lock it up. That's locked up at that. You see, that just holds on there, see?
Oh, yeah.
But it's just that little bit over.
Yeah.
If I move it to halfway. See, I only moved it at halfway, look. See where I moved it to halfway, half a thou over. And that that drops on there. See, it won't stay there now.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
it drops past
Yeah.
just by moving it that much. It's only about a quarter of a thou. Let's have a look all around now. See. Ah, there's a little bit of a score in the bottom. See, they usually get worse in the bottom. Just a fraction left. I'll slow it up then.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Just there.
Yeah.
I say journals usually wear most of it on the inside. Let's have a measure around it. It's only out a bit big, it's hardly not worth bothering to try and grind that, I don't think. Because I could just take it off. It'll probably end up a shade below then.
Do you think it's okay? It's okay.
Yeah. There's a spot on there, look.
Wow. Just that little bit of sanding.
Just polishing it like that, yeah. See, it's just goes on. Just holds itself. So that's it.
Brilliant.
So that's 10 thou undersize now.